come out from the garden to be mine. Hi, good day guys, Chef Dun again, and welcome to our channel. Before anything else, shout out for all of my subscribers. Thank you very much for all of your support because we have just met another milestone in our channel. We were able to get the 65,000 views as of the other day. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. And if this is your first time in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe, like, and give honest comment. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload another video. If possible, if you could share, please share. Today I'll be making a different kind of soft custard based chocolate mousse because I'll be using a cocoa powder. I decided to use the cocoa powder because there is always a cocoa powder wherever you go. And also, I will be adding a nice champorado. By the way, champorado is a sweet chocolate flavored porridge here in the Philippines. Champorado is well loved by almost all of the Filipinos. So, without further ado, we'll start. And the ingredients for our soft custard chocolate mousse are 2 cups milk, 1 cup sugar, 1/3 cup cornstarch, 7 medium egg yolks, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 sachet or 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatine. We also need 1 pinch salt, 1/2 teaspoon instant coffee, and also 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons for normal mousse or babarwa, and then 4 tablespoons for our cocoa powder for the equivalent of dark chocolate. First, we will put our milk in our mixing bowl. And the mixing bowl should be on top of a pot with boiling water. And then we will sprinkle our flavored gelatin over the milk so it's easier to dissolve later on. Okay. So the milk will be a little bit hotter. Now we will turn on our stove to heat our milk. In another bowl, we will combine our sugar and our cocoa powder and our coffee. Then we will have to stir it. And then add it into our mixture. Then we will add our cornstarch. So we just have to put all the ingredients and then our egg yolk. Just keep on stirring it until it's well mixed, until it thickens. Then our pinch of salt here. Then continue stirring until it gets thick. And then when it gets thick, we will add our butter. We are now making our chocolate mousse, but later on we will add 1 cup strong champorado. After about few minutes, now it's starting to get thick. Now we will add our butter. This is 6 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons for the normal mousse, and then 4 tablespoons to be added so that we could get the equivalent of our chocolate bar. Few moments later, now we will add our champorado. Our 1 cup champorado. Our chocolate mousse mix and our mix with champorado. Champorado is a breakfast item for Filipinos. It is glutinous rice made into porridge with chocolate, but it is sweet. Now we'll just let it cool, and then I'll show you later when it's cool enough how to assemble our chocolate mousse with champorado. This is our mold, and before we put our mix, we will brush it with corn oil. Okay. Okay, and that's it. Now our mold is ready. Now our mixture is already at room temperature. We will add our whipped cream, 1 cup whipped cream. You just have to hold it slowly so that the trapped air when we whip will not escape, and we could have a nice texture of our mousse. A little bit more. Now to make sure that it's well mixed, we will use a spatula to scrape the bottom and make sure that everything is well mixed. That's it. Now you can put it in our mold. Tap this a little bit, do away with some bubbles, and then we'll cover it with plastic film and chill it. We'll just unmold this the next day or tomorrow until it is set. Okay, so that's it. The mousse is ready. We'll just have to finish this by piping some whipping cream on top of this one, making a small rolls on top, and then also on the sides, and just be piping some whipped cream. There you are, go all around the sides. Okay, and then I'll just be adding some chocolate chips, small chocolate chips all around. Okay, just like that. So, okay, all around our mousse. Okay, and then we'll be adding color. We'll be adding some pieces of red cow to add color later on. And maybe a piece of bigger one on top of the big rose whipping cream on top. Okay, so some fancy cake decor to add color. Then here's the red cow. Okay, so and then on the side some more red cow all around the finish. So okay, just like that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed how I presented choco mousse with glutinous rice or with champorado. We also have here an individual serving of this one in a glass. Okay. Now let us look at the texture of our mousse. Look here. So it's not too thick, it's just right. Can easily melt in our mouth. Okay. So guys, I believe that I have just shown you how to make a soft custard based chocolate mousse and how I added the nice champorado mix with it and make it into a nice Choco Champorado Mousse. By the way, for all of you first timers in this channel, this is now the time to subscribe, like, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified and updated on my next uploading of my video. And also, please don't forget to give your honest comment in our video. And should you want to share, please share. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And may God bless us all.